Hey guys, so I'm back with these Frida Kahlo inspired nails, and I painted these using the new OPI Mexico City Collection, and using this beautiful lady as inspiration. It's actually a funny story. I've tried filling in my eyebrows the other day during this quarantine. I had to do something during my time other than paint nails, and oh my god, I look terrible with painted in eyebrows. So I kind of just went with it and turned myself into Frida Kahlo. So are you ready for this? You're welcome. If you want to know how I did these nails, keep watching. So I started off with painting all except my ring finger with Coralling Your Spirit Animal. And then with my London Mexico 01 plate and a black stamping polish, I stamped this flower design. I've used it a few times on my channel. So leaving it on the stamper, I'm just using Viva OPI and filling in that middle flower. And then telenovela me about it on the smaller flower, and then don't tell a soul on the opposite flower. And I just continued doing that with the different polishes until I had all 4 nails. I also used the purple colour called Mariachi Makes My Day, which I'm using right here. So once those decals were on the side drying, I applied this foil glue to create a tacky base and just stamped all of them. Although I only showed this one, sorry. So on my ring finger I painted with a Don't Tell a Soul. And then I used a glossy top coat because I'm going to be using some acrylic paint. And it just makes it easier to, if you muck up, just scratch it off when you use acrylic paint. So with the black paint, I'm just creating a semicircle at the bottom of my nail to be her head, and then I just filled it in with a tanned nail polish, and then I applied another glossy top coat, and then while that was drying for about 20 minutes I just stamped that design like I'd done already, and I just removed the dots with a bit of tape. And here I am just filling in that flowers like I'd done before. And while that was drying on the side, I just painted her bangs with black acrylic paint. Here I am really awkwardly trying to see what I'm doing while showing you on camera. So here I am painting her amazing eyebrows. So I just started off with one like I normally would, and then just connected them like a big McDonald's M. So here I'm just applying a little bit of foil glue to create a tacky base, where I'll be stamping on that flower to create her little flower she wears in her hair. And then a smudge resistant top coat. And there you go, these Frida Kahlo nails, and I'm actually living for these, I think they're great. If you agree with me, give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment below, and subscribe would be good. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!